You're the good. Scandal. Corporate bullies. Corporate pimps. Living off the taxpayers' money. A scandal. Pavilion, Amy. You do the same kind of stuff. Our money to build your profits for a Spanish multinational corporation. A bloody scandal. Wait till you come to Western Road. Wait till you come. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm very upset. Yeah, and now nobody else seems to be on you guys. I live on Western Road, where there's a whole bunch of beautiful trees, trying to remember people who died in World War I. You're going to probably protect these corporate stuff, cutting them down? Oh, what? Oh. I'm down there listening to the War Memorial. That's the kind of thing. Oh, Dad, what'd you do today? Well, we cut down a list of living war memorial. Yeah. At the end of the day, it's capitalist profits. That's all this is about. It's capitalist profits. Yeah, I'm very upset. You guys calm as hell. Right. Oh, are they no living? Yeah.
We'll come back.